Will teff be the next superfood? Earlier this year, I stumbled across a new ancient grain called teff flour. The media is saying, move over kale, move over quinoa, teff is the next superfood. This sparked my interest and I thought, this has many nutrients and is naturally gluten-free. But why do I like baking with ancient grains? A little bit about me. Back in 1993, my dad passed away with cancer. He got diagnosed and passed away within 3 months. He didn't have a very healthy lifestyle. His diet consisted mainly of cigarettes and drinking, and he was a bit of a fussy eater. And back then I was a party girl and I probably smoked too many cigarettes and drank a little bit too much, and I was also a fussy eater. And after he died, I thought I really should change my lifestyle, so I stopped drinking and smoking totally. And then in early 2000s, I started having a wheat intolerance. I couldn't kind of digest wheat properly and had a few side effects. So I explored spelt flour and buckwheat flour, which are both ancient grains, and discovered that I could bake cakes and cookies with them and really love the taste. And fast forward another 18 years and I've been baking a lot with spelt and buckwheat flour and exploring other ancient grains. So what is teff? So I've got a couple of examples here and I'll pop an image above as well. Teff is a flour, or it's a grass that's milled into a flour, also milled into like this gröt, which is a porridge like grain. It's hailed as the tiniest seed, grown in East Africa around Ethiopia area, and it's been grown there for thousands and thousands of years. The main way they eat teff is they make it into this pancake, which is called injera. And I'll pop some images above. We recently sampled injera at a couple of restaurants here in Gothenburg. It's got a sour taste and it's a fermented pancake. And instead of using utensils in Ethiopia, traditionally they have broken the bread and used the bread as their utensil to scoop up the stews and the curries. It's an acquired taste because it's a little bit sour, and it's also a skill that's not that easy to master. I'm a bit messy and get it down my hands. And so will it be the next superfood? There's a lot of media hype about it. It's meant to be rich in lots of vitamins. It's high in iron and protein and calcium. It's meant to give you lots of muscles, which I haven't got them yet. And it's also meant to be immune boosting. So I'm going to do a deep dive into teff flour and explore some ways of cooking with it. And I can't wait to share more of my teff project with you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.